Good morning, students. Today topic pointers. It is unit 4 and introduction of the pointers. A pointer variable is a variable which is capable of storing address of a general variable. Pointer is a constant or a variable that contains an address that can be used to access the data. Pointers are built on the basic concepts. In here, pointer mainly pointer used to the addressing of the variable and which we store the variable. That variable only addressing will be identified. The following two operators are used when working with the pointers. Here, two keywords are two operators using in the pointers. One is the address of the operator, another one is indirection operator or the reference operator. One of these address of the operator and second one is indirection operator or the references operator. The address of operators returns address of a given variable where the variable stored in memory. That variable memory can be addressed thus by using the ampersand. The indirection operator returns the value at the address pointed by a pointer variable. Declaration of a pointer variable. Pointer variable are declared using the following syntax: data type, indirection symbol, variable name. Here the data type using the primitive data types like int, float, char, double. And variable name is we have to use any name. When how to identify the pointer means we have to use indirection symbol or the references symbol. That is the identifying the pointer. In pointer is a derived data type. It is used based on the using primitive data types. When you are using the derived data type, first we have to declare primitive data types like int, float, char. In this example, int I am taking example int is a integer and it is a primitive data type. Here the variable name is x. I am giving x equal to 25 and with the semicolon and int indirection operator p. This is the symbol of pointer and with a semicolon. P equal to ampersand x and with the semicolon. X plus plus means increment. This will be change the value of x. Suppose x value is 25, that equal to x plus 1. In the place of x, you have to put 25 plus 1. That becomes to the 26. Star p. Here the point operator increment that equal to star p equal to star p plus 1. That is a 26 plus 1 that is given to the 27. Therefore, x plus plus is the same as the star p plus plus. Both are using the increment of the value. Here the increment means address of the variable. Here the x is equal to 25 that will be stored in the 2000 memory location. This is the address of the variable. This address will be stored in the P. This address will be stored in the P. 2000 address memory stored in the pointer. In star or indirection operator forms the compiler that pointer is the pointer variable and the int specify the will store the address of the an integer variable. This will be defining the where we pointer variable defining the programming. That programming when we will be stored the address of the integer variable. When we defining the integer value will be stored. When we defining the char value will be defining. And operator retrieves the address of the x, and we are using ampersand. Ampersand means address of the variable. Operator retrieves the address of x and assign to the pointer. Assign to the pointer. This ampersand using to the that value can be assigned to the pointer where x is a 25 and it will be stored in the memory location is 2000. P is that 2000 will be stored in P location and the pointer variable location, and where P memory location is 5000. Here one point is remembering star P plus plus. It is the pointer increment the value. Star P equal to star P plus 1. Advantages of the pointers. A function can return more than one value to the calling function with the help of the pointers. In the pointers, we can be defining or can be calling or can be stored only one value at a time and return more than one value the function in the pointers. Pointers can be used to access the individual elements of an array. Pointers can be used to access individual elements of the array. It means that one by one elements will be accessed in the array. Array means index of the storage. Memory can be allotted at running time using pointers. Once we are declaring the pointer variables, memory will be allocated. Manipulation of arrays and strings becomes easier with the help of pointers. Arrays and strings are using with the pointers that will be used to calculate or storage or accessing or assigning values. It is very become easier when the using of pointers. Pointers can be used to create complex data structures such as stacks, queues, and majorly pointers using the data structures that like stacks, queues, trees, searching algorithms. It is the pointers are used to access the value of the variables are indirectly. Pointers accessing the variables indirectly. Pointers and one-dimensional array. In the one-dimensional array, how to pointers will be stored or how to memory location in the array. I am taking the when an array is created, the name of the array itself contains address of the first memory location in the array. I am taking integer primitive data type. A is size of 10. It is a one-dimensional array declaration. When you at the end with the semicolon, the size can be declared within the square brackets only. Here the 10, that is I am taking 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9. That is a 10. Here area of 0, area of 1, area of 2. This is the size of the declarations. Here A is a memory. A is the size of the memory location is 2000. 2000. Then A will be stored in the first location. Why? When the first element can be stored in the first memory location only. Here I'm not declaring any value to the A. I'm only here, this total index will be stored in the garbage value. Then I'm taking the 2000. 2000 is the memory location of the array. Array of size is 0. Area of size is that the memory location is 2000. When I'm declaring A of 10 equal to within the double quotation or single quotations, when name is will be given or integers will be given, that will be stored in one by one in the variable. Suppose here to stored in A value can be memory addressing is 2000. Double pointers are pointer to pointers. Double pointers are pointers to pointers, mainly using pointers to pointers. The double pointers is also called as pointers to pointers. A double pointer is a pointer variable which stores the address of another pointer variable. In this line saying one pointer address will be stored in another pointer address. Example, I'm taking integer. Integers are primitive data types and followed by variable declaration x and with the semicolon, that the variable x can be equal to 15 and become the x values of 15, and I'm taking another integer star v1. Star v1 is a pointer variable 1 and with the semicolon. When declaring the pointer in a program, we have to use indirection symbol operator. P1 equal to ampersand x. When the x value become 15, then 15 can be assigned to the P1, memory location of the P1. Then int equal to star star P2 and with the semicolon. When the P2 equal to ampersand P1. What is the P1 of the memory location will be stored in P2. Here the become the, when the x value is 15, that 15 or x value can be stored in memory location is 2000. The x value stored in memory location is 2000. Then the x value of the pointer star p1, which is the memory location. Here I'm not any variable can be not assigning the pointers. Pointers can be used memory address. That's why p1 equal to ampersand x. Ampersand x means here it defining the address of the variable. That's why p1 equal to 2000. P1 equal to 2000. And int indirection operators using double here. Then the p2 and another pointer. The one pointer can be defined using one operator, and another pointer we are using the program using double operators. Then p2 equal to ampersand p1. P1 memory location is 3000. Then the p1 memory location is 2000. That will be here. That is a p1 will be 2000. Then p1 memory location 3000. That will be stored in the p2 memory location and pointer variable 2. Here p2 is a double pointer. Once again, the x value stored in 15. Then the x value of the memory address is 2000. That the 2000 will be stored in the pointer 1 and the 3000 will be stored in the memory address in P2. Pointers arithmetic are operation on operators. Pointer arithmetics are also called as the operations on pointers. The following operations are allowed on a pointer variables. It means that we are using different types of arithmetic operation that will be followed by the pointer variables or allowed pointer variables. Increment to a pointer variable, it means that x equal to x plus 1. It will be adding 1 in the increment. Decrement to the pointer variable. It means x equal to x minus 1. Any value can be taken, that value will be minus 1. Adding an integer to a pointer variable. Integer means integer value is 2 bytes. Subtracting an integer from the pointer variable. Here we are observing that adding and subtracting using integer. Integer can be defined as 2 bytes. 2 bytes means 16 bits. Subtraction of pointer variable from another pointer variable. One pointer subtraction to another pointer variable. And next one is compared to the two pointers. Increment, decrement, adding an integer, subtracting an integer, subtracting one pointer variable to another pointer variable, comparison the two pointers, and increment to a pointer variable. When a pointer is incremented, when the point is incremented, the result of value of the pointer variable depends on the data type pointed by that variable. When the pointer can be incremented, the result of the pointer variable depends on the data type. It means that which data type we are using in the programming, that data type can be added to the memory address locations when we pointed by the variable. Arithmetic operations involving pointers are very limited. Addition can be used when the one operand is pointed to another in integers. And here you are using increment to a pointer. Increment means x equal to x plus 1. One value can be added to the x value. Suppose here coming to the syntax, p equal to p plus size of data type pointed by a p. Example, int a of 9. Int a of 9. That's why I'm taking single dimensional array index. I'm storing array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3, and so on, array of 8. These are the sizes of the arrays. And int equal to pointer variable p equal to a, end with the semicolon. And initially p value memory location is 2000. That means that a will be stored in memory location is 2000. A can be stored 2000 memory location. Here the pointer only defining the address of the variable. Address of the variable. Here a will be stored in area of size 0 and memory location is 2000. Now we are implementing the increment to the pointer variable. Increment means plus plus. It means plus plus means adding 1, x equal to x plus 1. But I am saying it depending on the declaring of the data type. I am declaring in the data type is integer. Integer will be 2 bytes. Okay, it means that p equal to p plus size of, operator is size of, using the which data type? Integer data type. Integer data type means 2. The size of the integer is 2. That is equal to p plus 2. That equal to already existing p memory location is 2000. Already memory address is 2000. 2000 plus I'm using data type is integer. Integer value is 2. 2 that is equal to increment of the value is 2002. that A value of the memory location is 2002. After increment, A will be stored in the memory location is 2002. That is the increment the pointer variable. In this concept, we have to, when the increment of the address of the memory location, when it is depending on the declaring of the data type. I am depending in the int place in char size of this 1, that is a 2001. Here memory location will be also changed 2000 2002. Why the difference is a 2? I am declaring int will be 2, that is 2 bytes of the memory location. That's why 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008. I'm declaring char. Char will be 1 byte of memory location. 2002 not 1, 2002, 2003. That will be memory address of the locations. Decrement to the pointer variable. When a pointer is decremented, the result value of the pointer variable depends on the data type pointed by the variable. In general, if P is a pointer variable, then P minus minus increment can be represented as a P minus minus. It means that P equal to P size of data type pointed by P. Here the data type using which declare data type in a programming, that data type size will be adding or decrement in the variable location. Now initially A will be stored in memory location is 2002. Initially 2002. P will be memory location is 2002. A will be stored in 2002. Memory location size is 1, area of 1. P means P equal to P minus size of int. Then the P will be actual memory location of or memory address of the P is 2002 minus int represented 2 bytes to 2000. That will be A will be stored in 2000 memory location. It means area of size is 0. Once again, initially A will be stored in 2002 memory location. After decrement, A value can be stored in 2000. Adding an integer to a pointer variable. Let P pointer variable pointing to an array and an integer, then P plus n means P equal to P plus n indirection operator. It means defining the pointer size of data type pointed by a P. And here n is also subset from the original pointer. And but meaning of adding or subtracting here is different from normal arithmetic. When we add an integer n to a pointer value, we get the value that be corresponding to the another index location, corresponding of the another index location, n elements away. In other words, n is an offset from the original pointer. To determine the new value, C must know the size of an element. The size of the element is determined by the type of the pointer. This is one of the prime reasons that pointers of different types cannot be assigned to each other. One variable can be a memory location added to the another memory locations, not assigned. Can be using increment or decrement or adding. Depending on the arithmetic or index may be lost. Just by how to using offset. Here I'm using offset means a plus n asterisk size of one element, but I'm using Ardhama adding integers, and the way is p equal to p plus n asterisk size of data type pointed by p. It means that which primitive data type using in the declaration, that data type will be taking the size of the that data type. In this data type, we are using primitive data types only. Primitive data types are int, float, char, double, long double, short int, long int. These are all the primitive data types. Here int space a of 9. A of 9 means sizes are 9. I'm using array of size 0 to array of size 8. Totally 9. And memory locations 2000, 2002, 2004, 2006. Why I am declaring integer? Integer have 2 bytes memory location and 16 bits memory location also. P. P means 2000 of the memory location. When the stored in A in 2000 memory location or memory address, and area of size 0. And now P plus 3 means P equal to P plus 3 indirection operator size of int. I'm adding 3. I'm adding 3. P plus 3 into 2. Integer value is 2. That equal to P plus 6. 2000 plus 6. That equal to 2006. That will be going to stored A in the 2006. After adding the data type or variable in the location, we are using initial P memory address is 2000. A will be stored in array of size 0. After adding 3, P plus 3 means, and the size of int 2, that will be 3 into 2, 6. Actual P memory address is 2000. 2000 plus 6, 2006. That A will be stored in 2006 of array of size is 3. That is the adding of the integer pointer variable. Subtracting an integer from the pointer variable. Let P be a pointer variable pointed to an array and n be an integer. Then here P minus n means using P minus n. The P minus n means P is the equal to P minus n asterisk and indirection operator size of data type pointed by P. Then the example float primitive data types, A of size is a 9, float pointer variable P equal to A plus 5. A plus 5. Here now P minus 3. P minus 3 means P equal to P minus 3 and direction size of operator float. Then actually P address is 2020. Area of size 5 is 2020. Initially A value is 0. 0 plus 5, 5. That's why area of size 5 is 2020. That's why P value is 2020. Float value is 4. 3 into 4, 12. 2020 minus 12 equal to 2008. That will be stored area of size 2. A will be stored in here after subtracting adding. Here A value initial 0. Upper pointer address equal to 5. The size of the pointer address 5 is 2020. Memory location 2020. P value is 2020 minus 3 will be taken and Float value, size of the float value is 4. That's why I am taking 12. After subtracting, value is 2008. Memory location of the 2008 is area of size is 2. A will be stored in 2008. Subtraction of pointer variable from another pointer variable. Here I am taking let P1 and P2 are two pointers variable to same array. It means that two pointers are same array that will be stored in same memory locations in same index. Then P1 minus P2 returns the number of elements between the P1 and P2. Suppose P1 is a 2000 and P2 is 2020. How much elements there in between the two of them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there, and each memory location have differences 4. Why? I am declaring 4. That way memory size is 4 bytes. It means that 4 into 4 16, sorry, 4 into 8 32 bits. Each memory location is 32 bits, and bytes in bytes 4 bytes. P1 is 2000, P2 is 2020. P1 is stored in memory location 2000, that will be area of size is 0. P2 is stored in memory address is 2020, size is area of 5. Here star P1 equal to A. A will be stored in 2000 and P2 equal to A plus 5. Initial A value not defining, that will be stored in garbage value. It will is 0. 0 plus 5. That is a star 5. P2 is P2. Then P2 minus P1 returns the 5. Thank you. Next class will be tomorrow.